My first video of any morning, or it could be night. I never know when I do these darn videos, but I turn on the webcam and I haven't really talked into it for a while. It's just always, okay, voice, warm up. So I usually have a nice, warm, not over piping, scalding hot cup of coffee. And I don't like it when it gets cold either, although I do like iced coffee. But right now, my coffee is perfect. And I wish I would just stop the video now and just enjoy it for like 5 minutes. But usually what I do, I get my coffee perfect. Are you guys the same? You put a little creamer in it, or I don't know, maybe you like it black, but it's hot, but not scalding hot. So when you drink it, your voice and your lips are not on fire. You don't have to run to the hospital. But anyway, cheers. Okay, even though it's kind of weird to say cheers in the morning, usually it's like in the afternoon or you're celebrating something or late at night. But anyway, cheers. Because when it's early morning here in Utah where I live, and I'm on Mountain Standard Time, I have so many people worldwide in my multiple businesses, okay? Because I use multiple income funnel to put in businesses that are worldly, if that makes sense. People that, they can live in Hong Kong, or maybe they live in Asia to Africa, clear down to Australia. Okay, a lot of pieces of dirt on this earth start with the letter A, huh? So, Albania, is that a company or a country? It might be a company too here in America. Albania Furniture Moving Company. But we've got Alabama, Arizona. All right. A couple more A's all around the world. But anyway, cheers to my buddies that might be 12 hours ahead, like in Australia. And some of my biggest, I guess you would call them downlines, people that I've kind of joined forces with and we're all making money together. They live, believe it or not, in Asia. And man, they are so far ahead, 12, 13, 14, 15 hours ahead. So if it's early in the morning here, like let's say 8 o'clock, okay, it's already 8 o'clock at night, 8, 9, 10, it's 11 o'clock at night when it's 8 o'clock in the morning here. It just freaks me out when I think about that. So anyway, cheers, all right? I always got to think, when these videos are recorded, obviously you could be watching this, 10 years in the future. But usually when I make video, I like to just tell people what I'm doing. Right now I'm producing this May 21st of 2024. Okay? I like to just date stamp or time stamp, because if you're watching the video and I'm producing it right around May of 2024, it could be June or July, all I can tell you is when I make a video, everything I talk about is what is working right now. Okay? The techniques, the style, the gossip I'm hearing, maybe the latest webcam might come out that's pretty cheap that works great. I'll tell you about it, okay? Or maybe there's a system, or is there a way to save money if you go to, like, let's say Vistaprint and you want to get some business cards? Okay, I'll put the coupon code. But I think you guys know, you always want to, if you're on YouTube watching a video, usually the first thing you do is, you look at the thumbnail and see what the video is about, but look and see the date that it's uploaded to, okay? Because I have some videos that are on my YouTube channel, and they're anywhere from 5 to dang near 10 years old. And it's awesome that I still have people viewing them, and they still write me. And I could be long gone. I could be like in an urn, just good old powder, dust, all right? Never to be seen again. But it is cool that if you do upload a video like this one, that unless I take it down or something happens with YouTube and they're just zapped off the internet, it is kind of crazy that you can upload a video and just talk about, I don't know, your favorite cookie recipe, or maybe how to actually, and if you want to make business cards, guys, here's a shameless plug for Vistaprint. I'm not an affiliate with them, but every day I usually do have someone just email me and say, what is a good business card? Okay, is there a business card that works better than other ones? And they always ask me, what do I put on the back? I leave them open, because if there's something that I might want to write that person, other than give them the link. Okay, and this is my LiveGood link, joincory.com. I bought this for about $11 on, I dropped them. I bought them for about $11 or no, the domain I bought for $11 on GoDaddy. And then the Vistaprint business cards are like $25 for a box. They'll probably last you a year, unless you're really hustling and bustling and maybe going on the streets, or keeping some in your car, some in your truck, maybe some in your pocket or purse, maybe at your office. But I leave business cards to Live Good. The ones that I dropped here, I guess I should pick one up here. I don't edit my videos, so if I bend over, I guess you'll just have to deal with it. But yeah, these business cards, I kind of rounded the edges. I think I paid like an extra 25 cents, and what they do is they round the edges. I just thought they're maybe a little bit, I don't know, more modern, more hip. But I put the link as the most important thing, not my name. I don't put my phone number. I don't want people calling me and then saying, hey, will you describe the opportunity to me again and 50 other people, so that they don't have to, or you don't have to. Guys, everything I do is invite people to videos, because everything that's been done in the businesses that I currently do, May 21st of 2024, all I do is invite people to watch a video, and they're either in or out. And if they need training on how to do something, how to market, how to post, how to make even a video like this, there's already a video made about it. So I don't have to sit, and it's not that I'm wasting my time, but a lot of this is what you'll probably figure into the equation. How much time do I have just to post on Facebook or make a video like this? Because if this is a 10-minute video, there's 10 minutes. You probably spent at least 10 to 15 minutes preparing, getting yourself psyched up. I'm pretty good at this video thing now. So if you just, I don't know, if I had a live Zoom going on right now, and if I had 10 topics that someone just typed in real quickly, I could easily do a 10-minute video about 10 topics. Just because I really know Live Good. I know multiple income funnel really well. And I'm real comfortable on camera. I think it's nice. It's comfortable. I have my coffee. It's the same setting. It's the same lighting. I always have a pen. I have little Post-it notes. And you get better at video if you ever want to do video. You're going to be very happy with the results, I think, of getting people to at least click and look at your opportunity and maybe join you. Video gives me an advantage just because you can hear me, see me, get a hold of me. And sometimes when you just watch somebody talk, it helps getting to know them, either to like them, maybe trust them. All I can tell you is, guys, I make videos every day. I've got other businesses I really enjoy other than Live Good and Multiple Income Funnel. I'm not looking to retire. I know having a lot of money, and I know going to a beach and relaxing and traveling the world is awesome, but I've had a good life. I've already done that. So I enjoy teaching, and I do like making money because it gives me security. Because I have a tooth right now that's going a little crooked. Right there. Okay? And that's going to cost me money to fix it. I looked into one of those things you sleep at night, and they're like $100, or it's $89 for like a year. So whatever. It's like $1,000 or something. And for some reason, one of my little toothies decided to go crooked. And I get it. You're getting older, man. When you're almost 60 years old, your jaw changes, your eyes. I heard your ears get bigger. Obviously, your hair falls out. Things, your eyes look tired, and you're droopy and you're saggy, especially when you get out of the shower and you brush your teeth and your butt and everything's jiggling all over the place. But it's nice to make money just to have savings. But it's also nice to make money if you're not breaking even right now, or if you're miserable and you really want to just change your life. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you're fortunate enough to be able to choose a career or a job and have a real chance of being able to do that and making money doing what you like, man, that is so good. Just high five to you guys. I wish in high school they would have said, hey, try to find something you really enjoy that you'd probably do for free. And maybe there is a way that you can monetize it and make money. And I was lucky. By the time I was 19, I enjoyed rock and roll music and radio. So I got into FM rock, okay? And my station is still around. If you go to kber.com, K-Bear, that's my baby. I know if I pass away tomorrow, my obituary will say Cory from K-Bear and some other things. But I was able to find out something that I really enjoyed, and I was able to make money in rock radio, and I still do as I sit here 35 years later, because I started in 1987. So I had about 35 years, and here it is, 2024. But anyway, guys, the purpose of this video is just for you to watch a video, okay? I'm really good at what you're going to watch. If you can just give me a handful of minutes, get yourself a nice drink. All right, cheers to you if you're watching this in the future or on the other side of the planet. But this opportunity, it's been a game changer and a life changer for me because it puts a lot more money in my pocket than I already was making. And I've already been making really nice money. All right, not to jinx myself, but I work hard and I've been able to make money, and it feels good to do so. But with this opportunity, it just gives me 4 incomes with 1 click versus just 1. That's it. They call it a funnel. Call it what you want. It's like going to a shopping mall. You park, you walk in, and there's a bunch of things you can look at to buy. That's kind of how this funnel is, the multiple income funnel. Okay? And everything that you buy complements each other with the goal of making money. Okay? So you're not like buying a hat and then going to buy a taco and then on the way out getting car insurance. Okay? I know you can do that in a lot of locations, in a little strip mall in America, or maybe there is a shopping mall that has a taco for sale and a shirt and insurance. Like, I don't know, like a State Farm insurance agent might have a little kiosk or something. So, and they do. But I just want you to watch a little video. And if you are even 1% interested, get a hold of me, guys. I'm really good at this opportunity I'm showing you. Okay? And we can get the business cards. And I can tell you what I do to get leads and generate eyeballs and how I do video and how I post on social media. If you join me, I bring a lot of skills to the table. And I've been fortunate enough or just busted my ass enough to where they all make money. Everything I do is affordable. I don't do high ticket. Okay? I don't do $5,000-$10,000 investments. Okay? Let's just talk about joining for like $49, $49.95. We'll get some emails coming in for $30. We'll get business cards for $25. We'll get a domain name like my joincory.com for $11.99. Let's do the fundamentals of just getting a good, legit business. All right, even a light that shines my face up. You can see the little ring in my glasses, $25. Webcam, you can get a nice one for $50 to $75. Let's just build you a business, but build it affordably in the beginning. And then we'll go to the next level with technology. And like I said, I'm an open book. I don't sell information. I make an insane amount of video. Over 3,700 videos I've made just in the last 12 months regarding my business, Live Good, and now the other 4 incomes. So I got 5. And you can do all 5. I know you can. That's why I do them, because they're duplicatable and I think they're easy and affordable. That's why I do what I do. And it makes you feel good, honestly. When you make money, that is cool. High five to all you guys that are earning a living or making crazy money. But I'll tell you what, when you're really helping people and you're selling a tool to them that they can use for other businesses, not just the one business. Like an Apple phone usually is iPad. It's Apple. It's all about Apple. It's all about, that same operating system, and I get it. But I prefer to go into 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 other areas to where I can maybe make money by using something. Okay? And that's usually called technology or a tool when it comes to online business. Okay? Plus, I like to do stuff that isn't a fad. I'm not selling a winter coat in the summer. Okay? I'm just not. I sell stuff that I think that you need 24 hours a day, regardless of the economy, regardless of the winter, summer, spring, fall, regardless of where you live and what you do. And I think you'll agree. But I just want you to watch a video. I'm going to shrink my little self up here. This is it. All right? Since we're going into summer, I like to use a capture page with palm trees. Click here. Just click that red little button and go ahead and watch the video. It's a YouTube video. Get yourself a drink and just watch. Watch what I do. All right? Like I said, it's a substantial amount of money. It's a good chunk of money where you can afford a new car, a new house. We're talking get a really nice savings account built up for you. Buy some tires for your car. Upgrade maybe your desk and a webcam and maybe a little light like this so you can do some video. Okay? but just watch this video. I can't get any more clear. How do you do it? Go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, you ready? Pleasewatchvideo.com. It's going to go to this link, and you're going to watch the video, and you're either in or out. And if you want to join, great. And if you don't want to, don't worry about it. Okay, but if you do join, I'm going to show you 100% everything I do to get you to join with a smile, to make you feel good, like, hey, you know what? I got support. And this company offers massive support, by the way, too. Not like an automated thing and you file a ticket and you wait 2 weeks. All right, this is a badass company. That's why I do business. I know the owner and I know the support staff. Top notch, guys. Top notch. I don't need to kiss their ass for no reason at all, other than that they are an amazing company. And I'll help you as much as I can, too. I'm not going anywhere, guys. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram. You can find me on YouTube. You've got my cell phone, text, inbox on Facebook. I'm the easiest guy to get a hold of. And if I'm busy, I'll turn the damn thing off. It'll go to voicemail, but I'll get back to you. Every single person over the last year, if I could line them up, they could come on camera and say, yep, Cory gets a hold of me. He wants to know, how can I answer or solve whatever you need so you can go on and earn some dang bucks. Okay, so let's form something pretty cool. Okay, and it's a whole bunch of us earning money and kicking ass. Sound good? Okay, thanks guys for your time. Get a hold of me if you need to. All right, I'm not shy. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I sure appreciate you, okay? All right, have a good day or night. I don't know when you're watching this darn video, but it's always kind of funny when I upload it. I think, God, someone could see this thing 10 years in the future. So, okay, take care, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.